Boom! That's how actions work here in Photoshop. So the first thing we need to do is to click this action button. Alright? So if you don't see this action button on your end, just go to Window and then find the action by clicking that one. Alright? So as we can see, the Photoshop have a default actions here. But we need to create our new action. To do that, we need to go here in a folder, create new folder. The name of the folder is set 1. Hit OK, and then in the folder, we need to create our new action by clicking this plus sign or create new action. And then, for example, the purpose of this action is to remove background. Okay, remove BG. And then, here in the set 1 or our folder set 1. Also, we have to set function key here to act as a shortcut when we are performing our action. For example, we assign F2 as a shortcut for this action. Alright, and then choose any color here or just leave it none. But for me, I choose red. And then hit the record button. So as we can see, the record button is already activated. So the Photoshop will be recording all the action that we are performing here in Photoshop, not including the zoom in and zoom out here in Photoshop. As we can see, it will not be recorded here in our action. Or by clicking any panels here in Photoshop, it will not affect or it will not be recorded in our action. So the Photoshop will only record the process in command that we are performing here in Photoshop. First is I need to unlock this image. And then go to properties and then remove background. And then set the background color into white. Alright. And then drag it down and then stop the recording. So for example, we will use this action. So by clicking this one, another image, and then go to remove background or our action that we just created, or just by clicking F2 on your keyboard. Boom! That's how easy it goes. Or you can just click this play button to perform the action. Also, we can save this action by clicking this set and then go to hamburger icon and then save action so that we can use it in different computers. And then if you want to use your action in another computer, you can just easily click this hamburger icon and then load your action. That's how action works here in Photoshop. I hope you learned something. Peace!